Hello students, welcome to our today's math class. We are in chapter 5, that is factors and multiples. So in our previous class we have discussed about prime numbers, and we have learned some concept how to identify prime number. So let me revise shortly today. Prime number, you can say the number which is divisible by the number which is divisible by by 1 and number itself. Is a prime number. We can say that which numbers that have only two factors. Also we can say, or numbers that have only two factors. How many factors? Two factors. Factors are called prime numbers. Why prime numbers have only two factors? Because it is divisible by only 1 and the number itself. That is why it has only two factors. For example, let me give one example, like 19. The number 19, it has only two factors, like 1 and 19 itself. So that is why it is prime number. Understood? So I want to show some more example to identify prime number. If I take any number 27, now we have to identify whether the 27 is prime or composite number, and we will also write the factors here. For this you can use your idea by using the rules of test of divisibility. It will help you to identify quickly whether the number is divisible by different number, like by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, isn't it? We have learned that divisibility rule in our previous chapter already. That is why 27, 7, the last digit is 7, so it is not divisible by 2. Like 2 1 is 2, bring down 7, 2 3s are 6. See, we got reminder 1, that means it is not divisible by 2. So 2 is not the factor. So by 3, let's check by 3. 3 9s are 27. See, and you know very well that 27 is divisible by 1. 1 2s are 2, bring down 7, 1 7s are 7, 1 7 is 7. So see, 1 is the divisible by 27 is divisible by 1. So what are the factors here? Let me write. Let me write here. That is numbers, that is we are checking for 27. What are the factors? Yes, 1 is factor, we just test. So we just divide, and 3 is the factor. So 27, is it divisible by 9? Yes, of course. 9 3s are 27. See, so 9 is also factors, and then 27 itself. Okay, and then 27 itself. That is why it is composite. It is not prime. It has more than 2 factors, isn't it? More than 2 factors. So that is why 27 is composite. I have listed written one question from chapter. Okay, from this chapter that okay, we have done this already. I have written this question here. Where I have written this question? Yes. Yes, exercise 2. This exercise is in our textbook. Okay, look at this table of factors. Say whether the given number are prime or composite. Okay, given numbers are prime or composite. Here numbers are prime or composite. Now we have to identify. See, at first the number is 12 is given here, and the factors of 12 are 1 2 3 4 6 12. That means it has more than 2 factors. That is why this is prime or composite. This is composite. Okay, this is composite. And for the second number, that is 13, you can see the factors are only 1 in 13. That is why it is prime or composite. Of course it is prime because it has only 2 factors. And 24, it is composite. Why composite? Because it has more than 2 factors. Again 91, it is prime. Okay, it is prime. So let's go to our another exercise, that is exercise 3. Write the prime numbers between 10 and 20. Okay, what are the prime numbers between 10 and 20? Can you identify? Of course you can identify, because you know the test of divisibility rule, and you can identify odd and even number, and you can identify composite and prime number. That is why it is very easy, isn't it? So between 10 and 20. Yes, between 10 and 20, what are the numbers? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, okay, 19. So these are the number between 10 and 20. So we have to check whether the given number are prime or not. 11 is prime or not? Yes, 11 is prime because it is divisible by 1 and 11 only. 12, it is not prime number because it has many factors like 1, 2, 3, 6, 12 itself. So 13 is odd number as well as even number. 14, 2 sevens are 14. So the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14 itself. So 14 is also not prime number. 15 we have factor 3 5s are 15. That means 15 is also not prime number. 16 is also not prime number. Yes, 17 is prime number. And about 18, 2 9s are 18. It has factor, so 18 is also not a prime number. And 19, see, 19. So what are the numbers that are prime between 10 and 20? 11, 13, 17, 19 are the prime numbers between 10 and 20. We have some more questions in exercise 3. You can do exercise 2 and 3 yourself. So for today's class, only this much. I want to say goodbye to all of you. Bye bye, all of you.